Today we're just resetting makeup. Today I put on some Glossier. I'm gonna do a little bit more of this. I'm gonna do a bit more, I didn't even do concealer. I'm gonna do a bit of concealer on top. Refresh, do a cute new eye with pink. Just for like a fun dinner out with a friend. I'm doing like 4 drops of the skin tint. Just because it rubs off. Especially my like chin and outer face areas. I'm kind of leaving, I put blush on this part of my cheek, so I'm leaving that for now. Especially because it's not necessarily where I feel like I need any extra coverage. I don't really have any acne pigmentation from that. Nars matte concealer, just there, kind of the worst culprits. And do a bit around the nose too, as I just kind of a little pink there. And then I'm gonna take the Fenty Beach Please Sangria Sunset Mimosa Sunrise. I'm gonna start, so today I just put on a shade from the Pat McGrath Mothership palette. I put on this kind of light highlighter-y color. I'm gonna start with the orange, and I find that this applies the best with the fingertips. Concentrate it at the lash line like a liner, and then move it up and kind of out a little bit, because might as well make it a little 80s. Redip for the other eye. I always accidentally get it on the bottom of my inner corner, which I don't necessarily like, but hey, it happens. It's almost like a wing, like a smoky wing. And then now I'm gonna do pink on top, and it gets to be a kind of wonderful peachy pink when you combine them. And I might even do one more layer of the orange over top to get the extra pink. That was my, if you heard that, that was my cat just like flopping onto the ground. Okay, I'm gonna do a tad more of the orange just on the lash line. I really want it to feel like it's a peach, not just a pink layered on top of the orange. And these ones are just so good blended with your fingers that I highly recommend doing just that. I'm really into this like kind of winged vibe with it. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a coat of Lash Slick to ba-ba-boom. And then I don't actually think I need any more blush. I kind of feel like this, what I used is the Chanel Liquid Lip and Cheek Blush. Lip blush. It stays on really well, which I really like. I'm gonna do Haloscope and Quartz. I actually can't remember if I did highlighter. This might just be sweat on my face from today. I still have a little bit of Glossier Gen G and Cake on my lips, which I'm actually really vibing with for this look. So if anything, find a gloss and put it over that. Something really hydrating. And I know actually exactly which one I want to do. If I can find it in my bag. Ah, found it. It's the Pat McGrath Gold Astral Vinyl Gloss. This one was limited edition, like similar quality to the ones that come in the tubes with doe foots. And this you have to really use like a finger or a brush. So I don't think you missed out. So just do like a little dollop. This might even be too much. And I'm just gonna, and it's like, what I like about this is that it's a pretty subtle sparkle. The glitter particles are small enough, I think. I'm not particularly sure how she does it, but I like it better than most other gloss, like especially most other glitter glosses. Hope you like this. Honestly, this Fenty Killawatt foil is so good and like kind of great bang for your buck if you use it as eyeshadows. Highly recommend Check back on Wednesdays now. Gonna try it out for a few weeks, see how it goes. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.